What's going on, everyone? Today I got a 2017 Toyota Corolla and we're going to change the cabin air filter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to lower the glove box door and we need to disconnect this damper we have here. All you got to do is pull on it. Now you have stoppers that you need to push in the glove box so we can lower it. Right here is where the cabin filter lives. Take this door off, we just push this little tab in and the door will come right off. Let's see how nasty this filter is. Alright, this one is ain't too bad. Definitely time to replace it, but it ain't the worst one I've ever seen. So with your new filter, just note that there are airflow markings. Okay, and on the Corolla the airflow is up. Okay, so the filter is going to go in upside down. Like that. If you need a filter, I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can get yourself a new filter. So check that out. It gives you the part number and everything. Slap it together like that. Close the glove box. Now all you got to do is hook the damper back up and just snap it back on. You're done. Close the glove box and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.